Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a fantastic way to save time and keep your data fresh by importing live data directly from a website into Google Sheets, and even better, making sure your sheet updates it automatically. So if you've ever wanted your spreadsheet to pull in things like stock prices, sports scores, or news headlines without you having to copy and paste every time, this tutorial is going to be a game changer for you. Alright, let's dive right in. The very first thing you'll need is the link to the website where your data lives. This might sound simple, but it's important. For this method to work, the website needs to display its data in a table format. Think of things like sports standings, public datasets, or product listings. Just copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. If you're not sure if the data is in a table, take a quick look. If it looks like rows and columns, you're probably good to go. Next, head over to your Google Sheet. Click into the cell where you want your data to begin, usually near the top left, unless you want to leave room for notes or other details. Here, where the magic happens, type in the formula equals IMPORTXML URL link table 1. You'll want to replace URL link with the website address you just copied and keep the quotation marks. The word table tells Sheets what type of data you're looking for. Web pages often have different types of structures, but tables are the most common for neat, organized info. That last part, the one, selects the first table found on the page. If the page has more than one table, you can try changing that number to 2, 3, and so on until you get the exact data you need. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter. Google Sheets will now reach out to the website and pull in the data automatically. This can take a few moments, especially on larger sites, so don't worry if you see a little loading message at first. If the formula returns an error, double-check that your URL is correct, contains the https:// and the page you're accessing isn't restricted or behind a login. Sometimes public data just works better. Now for one small but crucial step, Google Sheets may ask you to allow access so that it can connect to the website. If you see a pop-up or a little yellow warning, simply click Allow Access. This is normal and just a privacy safeguard. Without this step, Sheets won't pull in the live data, so be sure not to skip it. And that's pretty much it. From this point on, every time you open or refresh your Google Sheet, it will automatically update with the latest data from that website. No more copying or pasting or worrying about outdated information. Just imagine tracking your favorite team standings or checking real-time prices without any extra work. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If you ran into any snags or if your data isn't showing up quite right, drop a comment below. I love helping out and there are often simple fixes. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.